Welcome to elDoc Tutorials. In our tutorial today, we'll take you through the steps to assign a group of validators to a workflow that requires data validation. To begin, head over to the administration menu and click on Group Directory. This is where you can create a group of users who will be tasked with validating data whenever the accuracy level for data recognition falls below the predefined threshold. When setting up this group, it's crucial to assign it a proper name and tag, and to add the relevant users. These steps are key for later stages, as they help in associating this group with the corresponding data validation workflow. After you've successfully created the group and assigned the relevant tag, the next step is to go to the Workflow Designer. Once there, find the specific workflow you're working with, in this case, recognition document. Activate the editing mode, then proceed to the Follow-up tab. Here, in the validation phase, you will need to select the group of validators you just created. You'll notice that the clear naming and tagging of the group you did earlier makes it much easier to quickly identify and assign this group to the appropriate workflow. Now that we've configured everything, let's put it to the test. Begin by uploading a document for processing. Once the system processes the document and identifies a need for validation, it will appear in the designated validators inbox. Additionally, this validator will receive a notification via email. The validator can then open the document to review and make any necessary adjustments, such as filling in missing fields or correcting inaccuracies. After ensuring everything is accurate, the validator simply clicks the Validate button to complete the process. Once validated, documents are moved to the archive, and the captured data can then be routed as per the established workflow in the system. Don't delay your automation journey. Start with elDoc today and streamline your processes right away.